Let's talk about another amazing technology known as OCR plus NLP for document processing. Imagine a global manufacturing company that receives thousands of invoices, shipping documents, and customs papers every single day. Earlier, employees had to manually enter the details into systems, which took a lot of time and caused delays. But with OCR and NLP, the company was able to automatically scan, read, and understand all those documents, process them in minutes, and reduce errors significantly. This is the real magic of combining two powerful technologies together. Now, let's define the concept. OCR, or Optical Character Recognition, is a technology that converts printed or handwritten text from images or scanned documents into machine-readable text. For example, if you scan a paper invoice, OCR will read the supplier name, invoice number, and amounts as digital data. NLP, or natural language processing, is our next type, which focuses on understanding and interpreting the meaning of human language. For example, NLP can read an email from a supplier saying, "Shipment will be delayed by 2 days," and automatically update the expected delivery date in the system. When we combine OCR and NLP, we get an end-to-end automation of document processing, capturing information and then interpreting it for business use. So how does this technology work step by step? First, documents such as invoices, contracts, or bills of lading are scanned or uploaded. Second, OCR extracts all visible text from these documents into digital form. Third, NLP comes into play to understand the context, categorize the information, and map it into the company's ERP or supply chain system. Finally, the system validates the data, raises alerts if something is wrong, and completes the process automatically. There are several uses of OCR plus NLP in supply chains. In procurement, it can extract data from supplier invoices and automatically match them with purchase orders. In logistics, it can read shipping documents, customs forms, and delivery receipts, and then update transportation management systems. In warehousing, it can capture handwritten notes from delivery drivers or packing slips and convert them into actionable data instantly. These uses reduce manual workload and speed up the overall supply chain cycle. Now let's look at a real case study. FedEx, the global logistics giant, implemented OCR and NLP around 2020 to process massive volumes of shipping documents and customs declarations. Earlier, manual teams had to review each document for accuracy, which was slow and prone to errors. With this automation, FedEx reduced document processing time by over 60%, improved customs clearance speed, and enhanced customer satisfaction by providing real-time updates. They also reported significant cost savings because fewer people were needed for repetitive data entry tasks. So in a nutshell, we simply saw that OCR extracts the text, NLP understands the meaning, and together they transform messy, unstructured documents into smart, usable data. This combination helps supply chains become faster, smarter, and more efficient. Hopefully, you liked this concept. And I believe today you have learned another amazing technology that is making global supply chains smarter every single day.